Kuya Mike nga pala. So, welcome back mga katuro sa ating YouTube channel. So, kung bago ka lang sa channel ko at napabisita ka lang sa channel na to, mag-subscribe ka na para ma-update kita sa mga videos na kagaya ng gagawin natin sa video na to. So, in this video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa kung paano ba gamitin yung proper capitalization. Okay, dahil marami pa rin sa inyo siguro ang nalilito sa paggamit ng capitalization. Kung paano natin i-capitalize yung isang letter inside a sentence or with a quotation marks, at kung paano pa ba yung iba't ibang rules ng paggamit ng capitalization in terms sa writing. So, especially when you are English major like me, syempre medyo may kalituhan ka pa at hindi mo pa halos alam yung lahat ng rules na pasikot-sikot sa paggamit ng capitalization in terms of writing a composition in English. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba ito ginagawa. So pagkatapos ng intro, simulan na natin. So first, capital letters indicate important words, okay? The beginnings of sentences and quotations. Titles and other words that deserve special attention. So ginagamit yung capitalization when we want to emphasize or want more attention to what we are writing. So you have probably already mastered most of the rules for capitalization. Perhaps there are some that you still find troublesome. In this chapter or in this video, you will review the rules for using capital letters correctly. So ilan sa inyo siguro yung mga basic rules in capitalizing or capitalization yung alam. Okay, like for example, yung first letter sa sentence, like for example, yung proper nouns. Actually, hindi lang naman yun yung paggamit ng capitalization, okay? Marami pang iba't ibang way kung paano natin i-capitalize yung ating yung mga words or yung mga letters na ginagamit natin in a composition. So, sa manual na to, ang gamit natin ay ang English Composition and Grammar, okay, second course or second edition. Okay, so first rule ng capitalization is capitalize the first word in every sentence. So ito yung basic na alam natin as English major na we have to capitalize the first word in every sentence. So for example, to capitalize the first word in a sentence, you must be able to identify the beginning of a sentence. So, dapat alam mo kung ano yung first word or beginning of a sentence. Dito, meron tayong example ng incorrect and correct use of a capitalized or a capital letter. Okay, for example, ito yung incorrect use na tinatawag nating run-on. More and more people are discovering the benefits of exercise, daily workouts at the gymnasium or on the running track strengthen the heart. So, kung tuloy-tuloy yung pagbasa mo at wala kang punctuation marks na ginamit, no, ito yung incorrect na way kung paano mo ma-capitalize yung mga yung letter in words or in sentence. So, yun yung incorrect. Then, the correct way is more and more people are discovering the benefits of exercise, period. And then, daily workouts at the gymnasium or on the running track strengthen the heart. So, that is how we capitalize. Kung mapapansin nyo, in the correct dosage of this sentence or the capitalization, doon sa exercise, meron siyang period, then nilakyan yung titik ng first word to begin another sentence. So, yung more na word sa first sentence and yung daily na word in the second sentence, yung mga yun, yung mga letters na sinisimulan nun, yun ang lalakyan natin ng titik or ika-capitalize natin yung titik. So, the first word of a sentence that is a direct quotation is capitalized even if the quotation begins with within a sentence. So, kung meron man tayong nababasa ng mga novel, okay, kung nagbabasa kayo ng novel, mapapansin nyo, example, Eleanor shouted, we did it. So, yung close and open, or I mean, yung quotation marks, kung magsisimula man yung isang sentence sa quotation mark, inside that quotation mark, kailangan na yung we or yung pagsisimula ng sentence is big letter or capitalized. So, it says here sa pangalawang rule natin, capitalize the pronoun I. So, automatic to. When we are writing English composition or letters, kailangan nating capitalize ang word na I. Okay, for example, recently, I have begun to enjoy classic music, period. Okay? Recently, I have begun to enjoy classical music. So, yung recently, yung R, of course, yun yung first rule natin. Malaking titik yung R. And then yung I, kahit saan man siya pumwesto inside the sentence, kailangan pa rin talaga na malaking titik pa rin siya. Next is capitalize interjection O. Yung mismong letter O and yung OH, kailangan nating i-capitalize siya in terms of special situation. For example, the interjection O is most often used on solemn or formal occasions. Notice that it is most often used with a word in direct address and that no mark of punctuation follows it. So examples, okay? Hear our prayer, O Lord. So mapapansin nyo yung O dyan is capital letter. The next example, protect us in the battle, O great Athena or Athena. Okay? So the interjection O na may OH requires a capital letter only at the beginning of a sentence. So yung OH, sa start lang siya. Oh my gosh or oh my. So dun lang siya mag-start. Pero when you see it in a middle of a sentence, hindi na siya capital letter. For example, oh, wait till you see tomorrow's assignment. Okay? Next example, yung makikita naman siya sa middle ng sentence, we haven't seen her for some time. Oh, perhaps 2 or 3 months. Okay. Next rule is capitalize proper nouns. So the proper noun which you studied on page, proper noun names a particular person, place, or thing. So it is always capitalized. The common noun is capitalized only when it begins a sentence or is part of a title. So proper nouns examples, Cicely Tyson, February, Tennessee or Tennessee. Okay? Common nouns, actress, month, state. So, kung gusto nyo matutunan yung tungkol sa proper and common nouns, so meron akong video na gagawin para dito para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano gamitin yung 8 parts of speech. At isa nga sa mga 8 parts of speech natin is yung noun. Okay? Next, sa sa proper nouns and common nouns, nakalagay dito capitalize under to ng rule ng proper and common noun. Okay? Capitalize the names of persons. So, halimbawa ako, Michael. Yung pangalan mo, capitalize din dapat yan. Examples dito, James Baldwin is my favorite writer. Is Alice coming too? Or according to Mrs. Sandos, Annie Sullivan is a good subject for a biography. So, yun yung mga kailangan mong i-capitalize doon, yung mga proper nouns or name of persons. Next, capitalize geographical names. So, when we say geographical, ito yung mga cities, states, countries, sections of the country. So, for example, sa cities, Jamestown, San Diego, Akron. Then, states naman, we have Georgia, Idaho, Hawaii. Or countries naman, Ghana, Nicaragua, or Thailand. Sections of the country like yung north, east, west, south, no? So, when we say, for example, the Midwest, so kailangan yung Midwest, kailangan ng malaking titik or capitalize. Then the north, yung N should be capitalized. So do not capitalize east, west, north, south, or any combination like southwest when these words indicate direction. So inote lang natin to. Do capitalize them when they name a region. If you fly west across the Pacific Ocean, you will arrive in the Far East. So, yun yung note natin. Kasi nakakalito rin yung paggamit ng mga capitalization. Next is capitalize names of organizations, business firms, institutions, and government bodies. For example, organizations to Debating Club, Future Farmers of America. Okay, business firms naman, Garcia's Hardware Store, United Tool and Die Corporation. Institutions naman, Carey Memorial Hospital, Hillcrest School, Antioch College. Government bodies, sa government bodies naman, Air National Guard, Department of Agriculture, Governor's Council on Indian Affairs. Then note naman natin dito, do not capitalize words like school, circus, restaurant, or club unless they are part of a proper name. So, an elementary school, for example, Irving Elementary School, doon lang natin siya i-capitalize. Okay? A circus, Ringling Brothers Circus. Okay? So, number 4 na rules under proper noun and common noun says here, capitalize special events and calendar items. Examples, World Series, National Chess Tournament, Rockland Lobster Festival, 4th of July, Friday, October. So, note na naman dito, no, do not capitalize the names of seasons. We go on fishing trips in the spring and the fall. So, yung spring and the fall cannot be capitalized. Okay, number 5, capitalization dito. Capitalize the names of historical events and periods. For example, Ice Age, Revolutionary War, Battle of Bunker Hill, okay, Middle Ages, Renaissance, Crusades. So, yun yung mga iba't ibang ika-capitalize natin for the example of historical events. So, sixth rule, capitalize the names of nationalities, races, and religions. So, Spanish, Egyptian, Caucasian, Eskimo, Lutheran. Okay? So, seventh rule under proper noun and common noun, capitalize the brand names of businesses and products. Example, Canon Towels, Bic Sedan, Ivory Soap. Okay, notice that only the brand name is capitalized. The common noun following it begins with a small letter. So, yun yung pinakang rule sa number 7. Lastly, we have another rule, capitalize the names of ships, planets, monuments, awards, and any other particular places, things, or events. Monuments, memorials like Washington Monument, Vietnam Veterans Memorial. So sa awards naman, Pulitzer Prize, Newbery Medal. Sa ships and trains naman, USS Maine, Queen Elizabeth, okay, or Silver Rocket. Sa planet stars naman, we have Venus, Saturn, the Milky Way, the Big Dipper. Okay, note lang dito, lastly is planets, constellations, stars, and groups of stars are capitalized like Sun, Moon, and Earth are not capitalized unless they are listed with other heavenly bodies. Okay, so yun yung mga notes and reminders dito sa topic natin ngayon. So, hopefully nakatulong yung video na to for you to know how to capitalize yung mga words, okay, yung starting ng or beginning ng sentence or in the middle, ano yung dapat nating i-capitalize. And it reminds us as English major to use proper capitalization when writing. So once again, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa ating channel. Shout out sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers natin. And maraming salamat din sa mga sumusuporta, sa mga nagko-comment, sa mga nagre-request ng video. And also, hintayin nyo lang, yung mga videos nyo, then it will come up. Okay, and shout out ko rin kayo, at kung gusto nyo rin magpa-shout out, kung mga bago pa lang kayo sa channel natin, type mo na yung hashtag Kuya Mike pa-shoutout, and also type mo rin yung hashtag Kuya Mike pa-request ng video if you want me to do a video for you. Okay? Para sa audience din natin na matututo sila. And once again, this is Kuya Mike. Mag-subscribe ka na. Peace out.